Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at the bus stops on Constant Spring Road. We did part one of this video where we drove from Manor Park to Halfway Tree and looked at the bus stops. I think we got 8 or 9 on the way down. So we are now at the intersection of Eastwood Park Road, and straight ahead is Constant Spring Road, and we are now going to take a look at the bus stops on this side. So there you have one right here on the left. So that's number one. Now, this road and the bus stops have been in the news a lot this week because apparently before the road was renovated, there were 23 bus stops. As you can see, the road was nicely renovated under the major infrastructure development program. Job well done. But they only put back 16 bus stops. So, okay, here is another one on the left. So that's 2. And that's the Merle Grove High School on the left. So it's very good that they have a bus stop right in front of the school, especially being a girls' school. Right, so apparently persons have been getting a lot of tickets on this road for stopping to let off people at the wrong spot. And quite a few persons have now lost their license because the government is now enforcing the point system. So a lot of discussion about this road this week, so we decided to just make the video. So this is part 2. You can check out part 1 to see the bus stops on the other side. So this is Constant Spring Road. We've passed 2 on the way up so far. The last bus stop was at Merle Grove by Dunrobin Avenue. And this is where the other one is now. This is the third one by Active Traders, but almost by Shortwood Road. That's a very far distance to have 2 bus stops. Guys, let us know what it's like if you're in other countries. How do they space out the bus stops? Let us know, give us some feedback. And also, what do you think about them having 23 bus stops and then they widen the road and only put back 16? Let us know what you think. And I'm sure I've heard the minister say that they were going to fix this, but okay, this is 4. This one is right by Shortwood Road, which would serve the Queen's High School. So that's 4 on this side. The minister said this was going to be fixed years ago, but I don't know if anything has been done. And some of these bus stops, you don't have space for the bus to pull off the road. You have to stop in the road. Okay, this looks like a bus stop, although I don't see one. So that would be 5. There's definitely space for the bus to pull over, although there's no overhead things, but that would count as 5. And they need to put a proper bus thing there. Okay, so on the right is Oaklands, on the left is West Avenue. Okay, so they also mention a BPO, so I'm assuming this is going to be the BPO on the right over here, as they're saying the taxis or the buses are stopping in the road to let off the people for the BPO. So that's probably the BPO on the right, and they're saying there's no bus stop there. Okay, if we go straight, we go on to Mannings Hill Road, just to give you an idea of where we are. But we're staying on Constant Spring Road, on that building that's being constructed straight ahead. The 2 middle floors are going to be for BPOs, so they have to get this thing right before even more people come to use this road because of the BPO. Okay, so the last bus stop was at the intersection with West Avenue, and there's none all the way on this side of the road from West Avenue. Wow, there is none. So this entire stretch of the road, I guess they forgot to put in bus stops, or even if they had put in one of the bus stops where the bus stops in the road, but there's none. The last one is West Avenue, and if you notice, that one didn't have the covering. So if it rains like what it is now, they're standing up, there's nothing to shelter. Okay, now I can get a better idea of why there is so much discussion about this. Okay, here is the next one by the tax office. So that's 6. So between West Avenue by Oaklands, the next bus stop on this side of the road is by the tax office. That is a very far distance to walk to get a bus. No, this something went wrong somewhere. Now I understand why persons or people are most upset. So if you were going to the bank and you're in a bus, either the bus stop in the road, or it drops you off by West Avenue, or no, that's not right. Okay, so this is another one now by the Constant Spring police station. So that's 7. They actually have 2 there, but I don't know if that would be considered 2 or just one bus stop with two buildings in it. So that's 7. I wonder, well, I haven't heard anybody complain or have any discussion, I should say, about the bus stops on Hagley Park Road. So that road was also renovated under the major infrastructure development program. So when we're finished on Constant Spring Road, we're going to go and take a tour of Hagley Park Road to see what the bus stops look like on that road, because I haven't heard any discussion about it. Okay, there is no 7. Is this a bus stop? Yes. That's 8. There's a bus stop there. It just doesn't have the covering. There's no bus stop over here, although no, that's the entrance to the plaza. So that's 8. But there's no bus stop there, so I'm not going to count that. I think that's just an entrance to this place over there. Alright, so we're up by Manor Park now, and I do believe Constant Spring Road, does it end here or does it end further up? Okay, so they have 16 bus stops, and we counted 8 or 9 on the other side of the road and 7 on this side, so that's 16. So they had 23 bus stops before the renovation, and they only put back in 16, which is what is creating the discussion. Okay, I'm not sure if this is considered a, yes, I guess it would be, because there is another bus stop over there, so that would make the 16. So I guess it was 8 going down, 8 coming up. Alright guys, let us know what you think about what happened on this road. Read the bus stops, and if you're outside of Jamaica, let us know how they place the bus stops on main roads in those countries. Alright guys, have a good day.